are in Odaiba. Here is the Gundam Festival Plaza. Oh man, look at this thing. This is the 1/18th scale Gundam. Whoa. Holy smokes, man. This thing is amazing. Wow. All you Gundam fans, this is the real deal, man. Wow. Just wow. It is a little bit hazy today. Man, look at this thing. Oh, look at this. Wow, I wish I could get in and drive that thing. Holy smokes, dude. Actually, this is the SCV-70 White Base. Wow, just amazing. Here in Diver City, Tokyo. We're right outside next to the Gundam Cafe. Oh man, can't wait. We're gonna go into the Gundam Museum, but this is how we start our day. Wow, holy smokes, can't wait. Guys, I'm so excited to bring this edition to you of OtakuDad. We're at the Gundam Museum and Gundam area. Check this out. Oh man, look at that right there in the back. I'm so excited for you guys to see all this awesome stuff here in Diversity in Odaiba. Wow, look at this. Man, just check it out. Hope you guys are gonna have a great time because this museum visit is gonna be cool. Check you later. All right, guys, we're at the Gundam Cafe. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna check this bad boy out. Not really a food cafe. We got shirts. Alright guys, we are at the Gundam front in Tokyo. Look at this awesome mural. Whoa. Check it out, man. We're about to go inside. We're going to get some GUNPLA. It's super awesome. Check out this. Get us a couple tickets. Check it all out. Check you later, man. Alright guys, this is the free zone right over here. Check this out, man. See all kinds of cool stuff. Get a look at the models. Wow. Look at this awesomeness. GUNPLA. GUNPLA. I don't know how you pronounce it. This is from Orphan. Just walls and walls. Wow, there's just so much stuff in here. It's crazy. Tell your kids, why don't you come show me what you're talking about? Whoa, look at the gold in this shit. These guys. Alright guys, we're about to enter into Gundam front. We're about to enter into the Gundam front Tokyo. Check this out. Alright. Super cool. Check you inside. Alright, check this out. Whoa. Man. Whoa. working here, guys. Oh man, there's the character photo spot. Check it out. Wow. Look at these models. Back in the original series. Whoa.
Get in him.
That's super cool. I can't wait. Wow.
Don't touch it, okay?
I love it. I definitely want to.
Hey, you can get in him, Daddy.
All right.
So what? I want you to get in him. See that guy up there? Look, he moved.
I did see him there. These are all the different Gundam movies and sagas, all the different episodes come out. Into the final series. Man, I can't wait to check out Mobile Suit Gundam Thunderbolt. That looks super bad. Awesome. Guys, we are going into the cockpit of the Gundam. This is one of the cool attractions inside the Gundam Museum. Whoa, check this out. Wow. Holy smokes, dude. Check this guy out. Whoa, I'm right below him. Wow. This is just phenomenal. Holy smokes. Alright, so here is the factory. It talks about how they make the models. Man, this is crazy. So the artwork. Each model has its own piece. What goes into making the models and the paint jobs. Casts. These casts are pretty cool. Here's the press mold. And the machine that it all goes into. Wow. See here, here's the different plastics. You go into the mold, and then your finished product. Wow, so here's the actual machine that makes the models. And here you can build your own Gundam. Unfortunately, we won't have enough time to do that coolness today. Alright, we're going to go into the next side where the factory's at. and we'll see some of the finished products. Super awesome time inside the Gundam Model Museum. Oh man, I can't wait to show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video of OtakuDad. And don't forget to check out my kawaii family and all our fun. See you later. Johnny!